welcome children to Boya Creation. Let's start. Mathematics Standard 4 Part 1 Chapter 1 Geometrical Figures. Children, we learned about angles in part 1 video and circle in part 2 video. In this video, we will learn about geometrical figures, vertex and side. That means in this video we will learn about what is vertex and what is side. Observe the figures and complete the table below. ये जो फिगर दिए इनको ऑब्जर्व करना है एंड कंप्लीट द टेबल, और ये जो टेबल यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स दिए इनको कंप्लीट करना है. इनमें हमको आंसर्स लिखने हैं. Before this, children, I'll explain you. I took a sheet of paper. Now, let us fold the paper like this to bring the opposite edges together. Fold the paper. Unfold it. What do we see, children? This longer side exactly falls on the opposite side. ये जो longer side है वो exactly दूसरे जो longer side equal fold हो जाता है. Unfold it. Now let us again fold the paper in the middle to bring the shorter opposite edges together. Unfold it. What do we see, children? The shorter side falls exactly on the side opposite to. शॉर्टर साइड भी अपोजिट शॉर्टर साइड पर
इक्वली फोल्ड होता है.
ओके, नाउ अनफोल्ड इट. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, once again we fold this sheet of paper from the corner of this side to corner of this side, opposite corner. From the opposite corner we fold it. Now let's fold it from the corner side. See, from this corner to this corner. Now what do we see, children?
Children, when we folded the paper from both the corners, do both its long sides meet at each other equally? No.
Because this sheet of paper has two opposite longer side and two opposite shorter side. So this figure is called a rectangle, जिसमें उसकी जो opposite side है, दो opposite side लॉन्गर लंबे होते हैं, टू अपोजिट साइड शॉर्टर होते हैं इस लॉन्गर साइड से. दैट फिगर इज कॉल्ड अ रेक्टेंगल. नाउ टेक अनदर शीट ऑफ पेपर. अब दूसरा शीट ऑफ पेपर लिया. लेट अस फोल्ड द पेपर इन द मिडल टू ब्रिंग द अपोजिट एजेस टुगेदर. बीच में से इसको फोल्ड करेंगे अपोजिट एज को साथ में लाने के लिए. What do we see, children? हमने क्या देखा? The opposite edges of this sheet falls exactly on the opposite side. Let us fold the paper in the middle to bring the opposite edges together. The sides falls exactly on the side opposite to. see children? The side falls exactly on the side opposite to. Now children, let's fold the paper from this corner to this corner. What do we see children? The sides of this sheet of paper falls exactly on the opposite side too. Now again do from this side, from this corner to this corner. Unfold it. What do we see children? The sides falls exactly on the side opposite to. That means all the edges match in length. That means in the sheet of paper all the edges match in length. That means this is a square. Listen carefully children. In the figure in which all the edges are equal length, the figure is called square. Let's see children. In this sheet of paper how many edges are here? Edges are there? 4 edges are there. Okay. Let us cut it from this corner to this corner. See the children. Now which shape of this become? This is become triangle. How many edges are here in this figure? 1, 2 and this 3. That means the figure in which 3 sides are there, that figure is called a triangle. Children, now let's complete the table below. What is written here? Figure. Here figures are given. Next is name of figure. Name of figure means ये इस फिगर का, इस चित्र का we have to write here name. हमको यहाँ नाम लिखना है. ये कौन सा फिगर है? इसके नीचे हमको यहाँ नाम लिखना है. Children, in the figure these two opposite sides are shorter and these two opposite sides are longer. That this figure is a rectangle. तो ये कौन सा फिगर है? Rectangle. Write here rectangle. Number of sides. Number of sides. How many sides are here in this rectangle? How many sides are there in this rectangle? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 shorter and 2 longer. Equal. That means 2 plus 2 equal 4 sides. Number of sides 4. And number of corners. Corner means this one is a corner. ये corner है. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners are there? 4. Now move on next. Now see in this figure. Which figure is this? Yes, right children. This is a square. Because all the edges in this figure are equal length. क्योंकि इस फिगर में सभी इसके लेंथ जो है इक्वल है. सो दिस इज अ स्क्वायर. ये स्क्वायर है. राइट हियर स्क्वायर. नंबर ऑफ साइड. How many sides are there in this figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides? 4 sides. Number of corners. How many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners? 4 corners. Right here 4. Now move on next. As earlier I taught you figure when there is a 3 sides. जब 3 sides होते हैं that figure is called a triangle. So this is a triangle. तो ये क्या है? Triangle. Right here triangle. Number of sides, इसमें number of sides कितने हैं? 1 2 3. Right here 3. Number of corners, corners कितने हैं? 1 2 3. How many corners are there? 3. Right here 3. Rectangle. See the children. A rectangle has 4 edges. 1 2 3 and 4. A rectangle has 4 edges. 4 side होते हैं. The point where 2 sides meet. अभी this side, see the children, this side and this side meets at this point. See the children, the point where 2 side, this side and this side meet is called a vertex. इसको क्या कहते हैं? वर्टेक्स कहते हैं. In the figure alongside, in this figure, that means A, B, C and D are the vertex. That means this side and this side meets at this point. ये point पर मिल रहे हैं, यहाँ इस point पर मिल रहे हैं. So this is called a vertex. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Vertex. So that means a rectangle has 4 vertex. This side and this side also meets here. So this is also vertex. This side and this side meets at this point. This is also vertex. A rectangle has 4 vertex. Rectangle में 4 vertex होते हैं. Let's name the vertex. This vertex name A. This vertex name it B. And this to this vertex name C. And this vertex name D. Here the sides A, B, this side. B, C, this side. C, D, this side. A, D, this side are the sides of the rectangle. ये sides है, rectangle के sides है. The opposite sides of the rectangle are of equal length. इसके जो opposite side होते हैं वो equal length के होते हैं. All the angles of rectangle are right angle. Children, in part 1 video I taught about angles. See that video to know about right angle. Right angle क्या है मैंने उसमें सिखाया है. In this rectangle all the angles of rectangle are right angle. ये rectangle में जो है जो सारे इसके जो angle होते हैं वो right angle होते हैं. Rectangle is also called a right angled quadrilateral. Rectangle को right angled quadrilateral बोलते हैं. Square. A square has 4 vertex and 4 sides. Vertex means the point where 2 sides meet is called vertex. That means a square also has 4 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, this 2 and this 3 and this 4. A square also has 4 vertex and 4 sides. 4 sides means 1 side, ये 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. Square also has 4 vertex and 4 sides. In this figure, see here, P, M, R, S are the vertex of the square. इस फिगर में यहाँ पे P, M, R, S जो दिया है ये वर्टेक्स है स्क्वायर के. All the sides of square are of equal length. स्क्वायर में क्या होता है, इसके all sides 4 sides जो होते हैं इक्वल लेंथ के होते हैं. एंड ऑल इट्स एंगल्स आर राइट एंगल. और इसके सभी जो एंगल है ये राइट एंगल होते हैं. इसके सारे एंगल भी क्या होते हैं, राइट एंगल होते हैं. नाउ ट्राइंगल. अ ट्राइंगल हैज़ 3 वर्टेक्स एंड 3 साइड्स. ट्राइंगल में 3 वर्टेक्स होते हैं. सी हियर, दिस 1 वर्टेक्स and this second 2 and 3. That means 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 vertex and 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. That means YR, RL or YL are the 3 sides of the triangle. A triangle has 3 angles. Triangle में भी 3 angles होते हैं. And this Y, R and L are the vertex of this triangle. Look at the figures and complete the table below. अब ये figure देखना है. As I taught you in this video, अभी अब हमने जो ये वीडियो में सीखा अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट टेबल कंप्लीट करना है. नाउ फिगर. हियर फिगर्स आर गिवन. फिगर दिया है एंड नेम्स ऑल्सो गिवन ऑन इन द फिगर. फिगर में नेम्स भी दिए हैं. नाउ नेम्स ऑफ साइड्स. हमको साइड्स के नेम लिखने हैं. पहले नेम्स ऑफ साइड्स. दिस इज़ अ ट्राइंगल. नेम ऑफ साइड्स, इसके साइड्स लिखने हैं. 1 इज़ रिटन ऑलरेडी हियर. एक ऑलरेडी लिखा है इधर. साइड ए बी लिखा है. देन नेक्स्ट इज बी सी. नेक्स्ट इज बी सी. साइड बी सी. एंड नेक्स्ट सी ए. साइड वी कैन राइट AC और CA. AC भी बोल सकते हैं और CA भी. नेम्स ऑफ वर्टेक्स. नेम्स ऑफ वर्टेक्स. A इज ऑलरेडी रिटन. दिस इज वर्टेक्स. A हो गया. A इज रिटन. नेक्स्ट इज B. नेक्स्ट इज B. नेक्स्ट इज C. वर्टेक्स आर A, B, C. Now this is a rectangle. ये rectangle है. इसके अपोजिट 2 opposite sides are longer and these 2 opposite sides are shorter. So this is a rectangle. Side PQ. PQ is already written here. Is already written here. Next is side QR. Next is side RS. Side RS. Next is side PS. Side PS. Names of vertex. A rectangle has 4 vertex. Rectangle में 4 vertex होता है. P is written here. एक vertex लिखा है इधर P. Next is Q. Next is R. And next 4th one is S. So write here then S. The figure which has all the sides are of equal length is called a square. So this is a square. So side LM, names of side LM is written here, LM. Next is MN, side MN. The third one NO, side NO. Fourth side is LO. Now fourth side is LO. Name of the vertex. Vertex, L is written here. This is vertex. L is written here. Next is M. The next third one is N. Fourth one is O. All of you understand well? Thanks for watching.